Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video, let's learn how to fix TikTok missing the eye icon on your top right side. So first of all, make sure that your application TikTok is updated because at times when your application is not updated, it will show you various missing features. Head over to Play Store. At the top search bar, type in TikTok. If you see update, tap on update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. Now open it. Get logged into your specific TikTok account where you're having that problem, and then you will be able to see your eye icon. In my case, eye icon is not showing because this is the profile who has viewing my profile, so the person's profile is being shown. If this button is missing on your side, tap on three bar icon, settings and privacy. Under this general account, tap on privacy button, and under introductions you will see viewers. Open it, make sure the viewer history is turned on. As you do so, you have to restart your device, relaunch your TikTok, get logged into your account, then this shall make visible your eye icon.